12,000 from Jamshid at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. How I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compounded interest. What extra amount would I have to pay? Now, I borrowed 12,000 from Jamshid at 6% पर एनम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर 2 years। मैंने जमशेद से 12,000 2 साल के लिए वार्षिक दर से साधारण ब्याज पर उधार लिए। How I borrowed this sum at 6% per annum compounded interest। यदि मैंने 6% पर वार्षिक दर से चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज पर उधार लिया तो मुझे कितना अतिरिक्त ब्याज पे करना पड़ेगा? पहले सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे। सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ये तो निकल आया सिंपल इंटरेस्ट। आप कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे।
Now we have to calculate the amount for if the interest is calculated compounded yearly. So it should not be CI, it should be A there. तो अदर मेंबर्स टेक ओवर फ्रॉम हिम। यहाँ से अगला मेंबर सॉल्व करो। Get aside and that is A. That is A, not CI.
और टाइम है 2 years।
ये आ गया, ये आ गया। जमशेद को पैसे देने पड़ेंगे कंपाउंड रेट, अगर वो कंपाउंड रेट यूज करते हैं और उसका डिफरेंस निकालेंगे। इसको माइनस करेंगे। तो आ गया डिफरेंस अगर हम
Today we are going to discuss one question from the chapter comparing quantities, and wherein we are dealing with the questions related to simple interest and compound interest. Yes, we can see clearly what is written in the question. Let us read it out first. I borrowed rupees 12,000 from Anu at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had I borrowed the same amount at 6% per annum compounded interest, what extra amount I have to pay? Clearly we can see that the principal amount is rupees 12,000. The rate of interest is given 6% per annum, and the time is given 2 years. The same principal amount, the same rate of interest, and the same time is given for calculating both the cases when finding the amount with the help of simple interest and when finding with the help of compound interest. So first we are going to find out with simple interest how much amount will it be there. So definitely I have to calculate the simple interest first of all. So clearly I can see the formula for simple interest is PTR upon 100. What students who find it difficult to learn the formula, simply you can learn by this trick that Pandit Totaram divided by 100. You can say like that. You put the values, replacing the values. So clearly we can see you will get 120 into very simple calculation here. So you will get rupees 1,440. We know the square of 12 is 144. So this is what I have calculated as the simple interest. Now what I have to do? I have to find out the amount. So clearly, what is the amount? Is that the starting value, the money which I had borrowed, that is rupees 12,000. In that I have to add the simple interest which I have to add to the principal amount. I will get definitely 12,000 plus 1,440. So clearly you can see here 13,440 rupees. It seems it is the amount when I am paying simple interest. So this I will need to compare what? Then I have to calculate the amount when I am calculating the interest, compounding the interest annually. For the same, so for this case if I say A dash, if I say, so I will say P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole power, it is N, where N stands for the time. The time given here it is 2 years only. So I am going to put the values, replace the values. Then I will see 1 plus R is 6 divided by 100 whole power 2. So what I will do? After taking LCM it becomes 106 divided by 100 whole square. If I calculate furthermore, 12,000 into 106 divided by 100 into 106 divided by 100. 1, 2, 3 zeros I am going to cancel here. Now 12 into 106 into 106 into 106 divided by 10. Dividing by 10 becomes very easy. Simply place the decimal after one place value. So how much it comes? 12 is 72 6, 1272 into 106 divided by 10. We have stopped this one. So now what we will do, we will multiply this 1272 by 106. Let us see how much it comes. That is 6 to the 12, 2, carry on 1. 6 7 42, 43, carry on 4. So this is coming here 2 7. So it comes 2 3 8 33. 13,383.55 divided by 10, the decimal will be placed here. So definitely the amount paid when calculated by compound interest, the amount paid here in this case is our A dash is rupees 13,383.20 paisa. So clearly we can see the amount when we compounded the interest, the amount came out to be more than the amount which was calculated with the help of simple interest. When simple interest was paid, the amount was this. So clearly, what I have to do, that Anu will pay more amount when compounded interest than simple interest. Then with simple interest rather than you say. By how much? Clearly it will be 13,383.20 minus 13,440 rupees. So clearly we can see it is rupees 43.20. Thank you so much. This was Hemant signing off.